Well, the day has finally come to my least favorite part of the build process, which is the sheetrock. Ah, yes, no greater friend, and at the same time, no worse enemy. Now, there is a great joy with having two sets of stairs in a house. Well, three if you count the porch. You get to carry these all the way up to the very tippity top of the house to get things going. Now, I ended up with 200 sheets, and I had to get another order of 48. I'm just kind of breaking it up a little bit. So this is my second order. So a total of 248 sheets of sheetrock is what it's going to take. And each one had to be carried up one by one. Well, technically 2 by 2 because they come in packs of 2. But for those who enjoy sheetrock and do that for a living, I'm impressed with your work. I am not an expert. But I did have two of my friends come help me out. And even on their own free will, they offered to help, and I was absolutely not going to turn them away. And both of them actually have YouTube channels. One of them is Project DIY, and the other one is PFS Outdoors. You go check them out. They got some great stuff as well. But they were willing to sacrifice their bodies to get some of the sheetrock hung, and it was a huge help, especially for this angled ceiling. But after we finished that part, they went upon their merry ways, and I continued onward, starting with some mud and taping up here once I got the rest of these sheets up. And just like hanging sheetrock, mud and taping is my second least favorite part. Again, I am not an expert. Although I understand the concept, but I tell you what, it is an artwork. And those, again, that do it for full-time living, I'm impressed with your work. I'm impressed you can do it and make those lines disappear. Make it look so easily. It takes me a little bit longer because I don't do this every day, but at the same sense, that's just how you get better or something. You just do it, make mistakes, and continue onward, and it gets better. But I had my little helper want to come help out and fill in some of those screw holes, so I was like, absolutely, you're more than welcome to help out. Help make this process go just a little bit quicker and just doing one step at a time. This area took a little bit longer, a little bit more seams, but there they are. They came back, say, hey, can we help sand? I'm like, absolutely you can. And so they're helping out with a little bit of sanding before we put our second coat up in this area. And once we got that area done, I'm trying to go over the stairs here. And it was adventurous. It was exciting. But remember, it's only dumb if it does not work. And I was able to make it work. Sometimes you got to figure out how to get things done, and, well, it works. And nothing was broken in the process, so that is always exciting. And once this area is done above the stairs here, then I have one more area above the stairs down below. Well, I'll work on as well to get that one done. But just simple mud and taping, putting your layer of mud on and then putting your tape on. And after I got the rest of the upstairs done, then I went ahead and moved downstairs, started putting some of these sheets up above the stairs, making a temporary little platform area that worked out kind of well. And it didn't fall, so that was great. But after that, I was finally able to use a sheetrock lift, and that is a huge lifesaver and game changer all at the same time. Be able to hold that up while I get my screws in, and I have no idea where this has been my whole life. Trying to hold up sheets while your shoulders are burning or trying to make a T out of 2x4s. This is just way easier, and it makes it go way simpler and way quicker. So I'm glad I was able to borrow this for a little bit to get these up, because the ceiling's kind of the more difficult part. Once that's done, it's a little bit easier to head to the walls and get the wall portion done. But since it's a more difficult part, get that done first. You always work on the top and work your way down. Same thing with the walls. Push it up against the ceiling there, and you just kind of work your way down. Just one sheet at a time, and you'll get this process done in no time. Is there a right and wrong way to do it? Absolutely. This is the correct way. Is this the wrong way? No. But either way, we're getting it done.